Hi everyone, today we're reviewing Dr. Bronner's toothpaste and Dr. Sheffield's toothpaste. Very interesting. Both products are so-called quotations natural, and I will review their ingredients, my thoughts on the products, and which one you should probably buy for your health. So if you haven't already, please press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel. And with that said, let's jump right into it. So this is Dr. Bronner's. They make a variety of different soaps and different type of organic and health products, cleaning products. So this is their toothpaste. And I like Dr. Bronner's because a variety of their different products are just pretty good, and they've stayed pretty good. As you can see right here, 70% organic ingredients flavored with organic essential oils. This is very essential and a big differentiator between the two toothpastes, which I'll go over here in a little bit. Fluoride-free and SLS-free. No synthetic detergents or foaming agents. No artificial preservatives or colors. No artificial flavors or sweeteners. Organic aloe, helping and soothing the gums. Made with fair trade organic coconut oil. So we can see right here, these are the ingredients. Organic glycerin. You guys want to pause the video, you can pause the video. But basically each one of these ingredients is phenomenal. No issues I see in any of these type of ingredients. They do add the organic stevia, and that's for making it a little bit sweet in terms of the taste. Let's go into the Dr. Sheffield's here now. It says the original toothpaste. And it's kind of interesting because I guess they did make the original toothpaste in 1850. Let's go into the details right here. No fluoride, no synthetic detergents, no foaming agents, blah, blah, blah. Same type of thing. And then the ingredients are not on this package, but they're on the main package, which I have right here. And let's go ahead and see where we can find it. There we go. Where's the ingredients? Active ingredient, that's for the sensitizing. To be honest, most people don't even need that, but if you don't really need that, I would just go with the Dr. Bronner's. But if you need something that's for sensitivity, maybe get this, because that's a big differentiator. You can see there's a big difference here in terms of the ingredient list, right? Big time ingredient list is a big difference. So there's some additives here. Calcium carbonate, looks like the calcium phosphate. So I wouldn't say this is the most natural. It says natural spearmint flavor, natural fennel flavor. These are different flavors, right? As opposed to Dr. Bronner, you can see right here, these are not flavors, these are oils. These are essential extracts and oils. So in terms of the natural, being natural and which one might be better than the other, I would highly go for the Dr. Bronner's. Just in terms of the ingredients, it is much more natural. It is the derivative of the product and different ingredients. So, and they're 70% organic, which there are no organic items in this one. Overall, this is a much stronger toothpaste. When you do use it, you can actually do feel it. That might be from the sensitivity ingredient that's additive in there. But overall, let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you've tried either one of these. And let me know your thoughts on which one do you like. Comment down below as well if there are other toothpastes out there to review here on the channel. Happy to do so. Again, press the like button so we can build to create more videos like this if you do enjoy it. With that said, thanks for watching. Check you guys out in the next video.